So in this video today, I'm going to be making some chili. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I am using items from my refrigerator that are already thawed, and I'm grabbing some stuff from the cabinet, and we're gonna be making some surprise chili. So I'm very excited about it, guys. All right, so I chopped up some onions. We put that in the pan with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today we do have a special guest and a special theme. So the guest is Jennifer at home and the theme is chili cook-off. So we are showing you many different ideas of how to make chili, and I am really excited about this, guys. So we're gonna jump right into what I'm doing here. So I'm using some ground chicken, which I already had thawed, and I also have some ground beef. So we're gonna kind of cook these together in that pot with the onions and the olive oil, and we're gonna adjust the spices as we need to. So let me go ahead and get this cooked. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by Jean Home Decor and More, myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and Debbie Bubbles. Now, as I said before, we have a special guest, and that's Jennifer at home. And so I cannot wait for this dish to be ready. So please visit these amazing channels, guys. They do so much, from cooking to cleaning to home decor. It is amazing. Visit their channels, click the like button, leave them a beautiful comment, tell them that I sent you, and subscribe. So I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we are adding garlic, which is plenty of garlic. So we're going in with tablespoons of garlic. And we are going in total with some Italian seasoning. I'm also adding lots of chili and some crushed red pepper. And I'm also going to be adding the powder Knorr chicken flavoring. So bouillon. So that's what we're doing here, and we're just going to keep alternating this as we are adjusting the spices and adding stuff to it. Okay, so I'm also adding here the canned products that I grabbed from the cabinet, including these beans that I rinsed off. Now, I'm going to be adding some fire roasted tomatoes and some corn. So that's what we're adding here. And every time you add, guys, you got to go back in and adjust your seasoning. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some water, okay, and then go ahead and taste that. And of course we adjust the spices. Every time you add something to your pot, you should go back in and taste and adjust your spices if need be. So I love the sweet of the corn water, so I'm adding the corn water to the pot. Now let's go ahead and stir this around, and once we get that water in there, stir it around, we're going to put the lid on it, and this is going to cook for about, I would say, half an hour before I come back and check it. this is looking absolutely amazing, guys. This has been cooking on low to medium for about an hour and a half, and I'm ready to serve this up, guys. So here we are, I'm all served up in the bowl, and I found my tortilla chips. So we are going to, I love chips, guys, and we're just gonna fill this up with tortilla chips. This is nice and spicy. I did add heat to it, not just the spices, but heat, and I'm loving it. So we're gonna be heading on over to the reveal, so I can't wait to see you there. So many people serve chili in many different ways. You can just eat it like that from the bowl. I've even had it with some rice. But today is going to be chip day, and I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. And once again, I just want to thank Jennifer at home for joining us in this chili cook-off. Amen.